And for today's video, birthday po ni Ate Jing, Baling Ching Ching. Ayan po silang mga bibisita.
Huwag mo isasindihan kung may subo ng kamay.
Johan. Ito po si Johan. Es Albay. Hello kayo naman! Mag-hello naman kayo!
Bayad ko daw.
Ayun. Esto. Ayan nga guys, silang tatlo. Diyan po si Lucas. Diyan po si Johan.
Tuli na po talaga ako. Tuli na.
Mukhang buko po si Lucas. Happy birthday, Ate G! Happy birthday, Ate G! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ate Jing Jing! Yan, ikaw. Yan, ikaw.
Kung may sasunod, may subo ng kamay. Ha? Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ate
Kanta. Kanta tayong happy birthday. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ate G. Happy birthday to you. Kreng, kreng, kreng. Happy birthday to you. Yeah! Si Lucas po ay buko po yan. Hello po, TG! Happy birthday and God bless you all of your best friend and store server of the burden or the soner of happy birthday. Si Lucas po nagsusubo ng kamay.